So this is our 1-bedroom suite at the Riviera Resort. It's room 8847 on the 8th floor. You'll see my child walking through and my husband occasionally. They are doing circles around the room. So when you walk in, you immediately to your left here, I've got a little area to put stuff and a mirror, and I've got a place to hang your coats and kind of this hall here in the entryway. And you walk through and there's the kitchen. You've got a nice stove, a big microwave, and I love the tile and the colors in here, it's so bright. Sink and dishwasher. Over here, there's a full-size refrigerator. Let's see if there's anything in the refrigerator. I doubt it. There is not, but you can also order groceries, so that's great for that. What is up here? Got a little thing for water pitcher and ice. So then we come over here, we've got our little table and chandelier. I know there's storage under there as well. And come over here. Here's a quick look at the coffee maker, full-size coffee maker. And you've got all your stuff, your accoutrements, and your toaster oven. And inside here, we've got dishes. This is a DVC resort, so it's gonna have all of your kitchen stuff that you could possibly need. In here, we're displaying, there's an open ottoman, pretty nice for storage. And this is the living room. And you've got 2 chairs, couch, and then pan over here. We've got our TV, pretty big TV, and this right here is actually a pull-out bed. So you've got that for like a kid with a little light that turns on and off on the side, which is pretty cool. And I know also, so this room can really get a lot of people in here. This is a pull-out bed as well. I think I'm gonna do the pull out. Let's just see. I think it's a little hard to pull down. Yeah, actually, it's not that bad. But you pull this whole thing down, and you've got a bed. I'm not gonna pull it all down. That's really cute. I like the Peter Pan artwork. And all this artwork is just so cute. It's all Disney inspired, but kind of by like famous artists, like Picasso and whatnot. So our view is at the front of the resort, so we don't have anything special particularly, but you can see Epcot out there, so I bet I'll be able to see the fireworks. So that'll be really cool. And then over here, I think you can see Disney Springs way out there. This is a balcony. So we have a balcony that actually attaches to the living room and attaches, here's the bedroom. Yeah, and looks like we can go through in the bedroom as well, so that's nice. You have access. So here is the bedroom. We've got nice bed. We've got chair here, really cute artwork, the Aristocats. And we're gonna shut the doors. That's a desk. And what's in here? We've got a closet. So there's that. Just a little bit of storage. Actually, there's a lot of storage in this room, which is amazing if you like to unpack. All right, let's go into the bathroom and take a look in there. This gorgeous bathroom. Got the sink, just beautiful granite, and this right here, which is the bathtub. So nice, it's huge. Oh my goodness. And then we have the shower, also really nice, big shower. Let me get in this thing. Open this up. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Not even kidding, like, this shower is gigantic. It has a little sitting area, but you can fit like 2 or 3 people in this thing. Oh, and like, quick look at the products. Looks like they still have H2O plus in here. I think they were supposed to be switching that though. And there is the toilet. And here is the sink. Just pretty colors. And I love that kind of this says door here, right? And then there's also a door here separates the bathtub area from the toilet area. And it all connects back into the front room, the front area, the entryway. And here is a closet by the front door. Got extra pillows, and you've got an ironing board. So that is that. Oh, there's another closet. What does this closet have? Oh, and also since it's DVC, you have a washer and a dryer with a little bit of soap. All right. So that was our tour of our 1-bedroom suite at the Riviera Resort. I hope you all enjoyed it. It is gorgeous here. I love the colors and the bright, airy feel of the room. So if you enjoy, go ahead and like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.